Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a slow motion in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. The first method is right click on your clip and change clip speed. Over here you can change your speed up to your liking. But what if you only want to slow down only specific area from your clip? Now I will show you how. Just put your playhead where you want the slow motion to start. So let's say here. Hold Ctrl R and on this little arrow add speed point. And where you would like to finish, let's say here, again add one more speed point. Now just drag it and extend up to where you would like. So let's review it now. Normal speed, the jump it's slow motion, and now the splash it's real time again. And if you want this motion to be even more smooth, just navigate to the inspector, video, and retime and scaling, optical flow. Now the slow motion will be even smoother. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.